hit it like this. I'm probably gonna get bad frostbite on my hands.
Am I sitting in a bad spot?
Tap.
I'm moving.
No, I'm gonna go ahead in here.
Yeah, look, don't point it at the host. Point it at Tyler.
Fuck. It's hard to do, guys.
So
Stop laughing.
primitive.
I feel so primitive. Mimic, boom.
That's what you look like.
Stab the other side of it. Like, stab the side of it.
No! Because this is the thinnest part, and I don't want it to go. Why don't I just fucking shoot it out of the tube? Give me the tube.
I got the good tube over here.
Yeah, this is a good tube.
Where's everyone?
I'm gonna take one of my own. Wow, this really sucks. I'm taking one of my own here. Why is it so bad?
Good job.
John, do you need some help?
Who was shooting him so well? Was that you two?
Hi.
Something.
Can't get that.
Why did you record it that way? You can stop it though.